The One Sock Project. No. Hi everyone, it's Kim Christian and Dan Rominski from New Jersey, and we're ready to take a field trip to our refrigerator. And this is our daughter and our son, ready to go on our field trip. Okay, let's go. Start with the freezer. It's kind of empty, and we have organic mixed berries, organic potatoes, peas, some homemade bread from our neighbor, soup that we thought was vegetarian but it's not, so we'll pass that on to Dan's father, and this we call our emergency food. Once in a while we will have packaged food when we're completely desperate. Ice packs, anything, nothing up there. Okay, our refrigerator. We have pure organic coconut water. This was kind of like just try it out, see if we like it, but it's really not our style because it's packaged. Orange juice. More orange juice. We have nuts. Goat's milk, I can't live without it. Organic half and half. Dates, they're soaking in regular milk that I got for a birthday cake for Dan that I made by scratch. Soy milk. Applesauce, Parmesan cheese, raw sunflower seeds, whole almonds, walnuts, almonds, raisins, croutons. I snack on these, and I like them. They're crunchy. That's good for a stress release. We have flatbread, more crunch, garlic bread. And, well, this is for the cat, our 19-year-old cat, turkey baby food. Hummus, tzatziki sauce back here. We have some kuzu root. It's a starch, Japanese starch. Seaweed, some more seaweed, and miso paste. Ginger chews. Okay, rice cakes, some more cream of broccoli soup, peppers, tomatoes, a salad, dates, look how they grow, neat. Champagne, that's from when we moved into the house 7 years ago, and grapefruit, whole wheat flour, pancake mix. What's this, Greek yogurt? How do you pronounce that? Let's see. Faye. And then we have lots of vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, scallions, zucchini, squash, bok choy. Dan's crazy about bok choy. There's a red pepper, cucumber, and we have sweet potatoes, shallots, onions. Aha. Dark chocolate. Here's a macaroon. Fig spread, capers, organic eggs, horseradish dip from the holidays, soy sauce, olive oil, butter. We don't use it that much. Organic eggs, sesame seeds, mustard, horseradish, royal jelly, organic vinegar, organic ketchup. Where is it? Vegetable oil for the cake, coffee, hot cocoa, Turkish coffee, some more Turkish coffee, and something that Dan took from probably a hotel. Okay, we have some fruit. And then in our cupboard, very quickly, let's see, popcorn for the hot air popcorn popper, steel cut oatmeal, coffee, coffee, coffee. Ooh, this is awesome, ghee. This is what we use instead of butter. And Florida crystals, tea, lots of tea, soup mix, croutons, tortilla chips, pasta sauce, pasta salsa, cereal up there. toasted oats, soy sauce, stuff to bake a cake, and more tea. Oh, and jasmine rice up top. So very good. Well, thank you everybody for doing this project. We're happy to participate and looking forward to seeing everybody in the near future. Take care. Hungry baby.